Finding amazing designs for your t-shirt business is one of the main ways you're going to drive sales to your Etsy shop. However, if you are having a tough time finding elements to actually sell on your designs, it might be a struggle with actually creating these from scratch. But if you utilize amazing AI tools, it can help you just not speed up the process, but actually help you stand out above the rest of the competition. So in today's video, I want to share with you an easy way to use AI designs in your print-on-demand business and how this can actually help you make more sales on Etsy. I'm gonna share this all with you coming up next. So welcome back to the video, my friends. You're new here. My name is Jay, and on this channel, I teach you how to make income online by creating and selling your own products. So if you like content like this, then consider subscribing to my channel. All right, so here is Kittl that we're going to use. And before we even go into a specific design, we definitely want to set up our canvas to be the right way. So we want to head over to new project. And from the options we have here, we can select POD presets and go all the way down to where we see Printify and t-shirts. And this will give us the proper size in order for us to have the best quality with our design. And from here, we definitely want to click on this and start setting up our designs. Now, the overall goal today is to find trending items that we can redesign using AI and to find elements that may not be visible on places like Creative Fabrica or even on Etsy itself, and utilize AI to recreate our elements so we can start using on our products as well. All right, so here we are in Kittl, and one of the things I did here was add in some best-selling designs on the side here. This is the reason why I do this is to help me focus on designs that are proven to sell well, and I definitely want to incorporate some things into my design here that's proven to work on other products. But again, the goal here is not to copy, but just to utilize some of these things to my design and make something new from it. So with that being said, I want to add in some text here, which all I have to do here is push T, and I have my text up in front of me here. I can make this larger, and I definitely want to add in some unique phrases here. So the phrase that we definitely want to add here is have teacher, have coffee. So we'll add this here. And from here, I want to go ahead and change the text here. So notice how we added in the Sunny Drip font design. So we definitely want to add that in throughout our whole project. So now we have our text where it says have teacher, have coffee. And again, we can line everything up here with our design, but I think everything is good here. Now, one of the things we definitely want to do is add in some unique element here on the side that we know will work well. And again, instead of us just utilizing this exact one, we can go in here and use AI to help us recreate that on the side here. So we definitely want to go into Kittl AI. We want to go up to the top here and add in a coffee cup. And instead of us putting the smiling face on the cup, because again, that could be trademarked, we definitely want to utilize a different type of sticker or design. And we have our prompt here, retro style coffee cup with a rainbow design on the coffee cup. Now we can go down a little bit further and pick the exact style we want to focus on. They have watercolor, cartoon style, drawn detail, and a whole lot more. In our case today, we just want to focus on this style here to bring in our design and see what we get. And again, this is going to be trial and error. Obviously, it's AI. So the more you give the AI in regards to your prompts, the better, results you can get. But in our case today, we'll stick with what we have and see what type of results we can get with our AI design. All right, so here's the results that we have here. This coffee cup with this specific style here. Now, again, this style can change based upon what you click, but we do have our example here. Now, one of the things I want to notice how the background is white here, and we definitely can't overlay that over to our design. We can fix that by going into AI background remover. And what it will do is that it will remove the background for us to utilize this as a PNG. And now we can add this to our design right here. And as you can see, this works out extremely well. Now we can go with this design and be totally fine with this. But if you want to utilize a different style art design, we can go here and click another one here. So in our case today, we'll click cartoon and see what results we get. And again, this is what you'll do. You keep on adding in different type of clip designs. You go here and add in some more things to your overall prompt and try to get the best results as possible when you are utilizing Kittl AI. But again, these are the prompts, just the examples we're utilizing for today's video. All right, so here's the results that we got from our AI design. And again, we see a different design style here, but I think once we add in some more details with our prompt, and of course, course, learn from the different art styles here, I think we can come up with some great results. But as for our example today, I think we can see the use of AI with the overall designs. And I think this is a great way for you to create some things that may not be visible on Creative Fabrica, or some elements that may not be visible on Etsy itself. You can go here and recreate your own design. And as a side note, you can actually sell this yourself just by utilizing different clip arts and sell those things right on Etsy. But in our case today, I think we have a great design we can go ahead and use. Now, one of the things that's helpful also by having these images up here while we're creating our design is that if I want to utilize a color from whatever I have in front of me here, I can add that color into my text by going into the text here, going into text color, and extracting the color with our pick tool here. So all I have to do here is make this a little bit larger, head over to my text color, pick tool, and if I want to extract this pink, I can go ahead and click on that here. And as you can see, it changed that color as well. I can go ahead and change the color. If I want to focus on this yellow here, I can click on this, and the yellow has changed as well. So again, it makes it easy if you're trying to extract these colors, because again, if these colors are doing well with this product, then it will do well with my product as well. All right, so now we have our design here, and I can go here and add in some more things, such as a border if I want. So add in a little border here, put it about 50 in value. Same thing here, add a border about 50% in value, and add this all throughout my design just to make our color pop out even more. And if I want to change my border color, same thing we'll do here. We'll go into this option, and we can go ahead and change the color. If we want to make it black, it can be black. If we want to follow that brown that's around our color, we could add that here as well. But again, as you can see here, changing these colors is extremely easy to do with our overall design that we have for our product. Now, I think everything is good with our design here. Now, one of the things we definitely want to add in here is some retro stars. Now, we can go in here and use AI to do this as well, or we can jump into Kittl's elements and see what is visible for us today. So we'll add in here retro stars. And we can see some things that's coming up. We can go ahead and add this to our design if we so choose. So this is the one I like to utilize here. But again, instead of this being pink, then we're definitely adding that same type of color here that's doing well, which is that yellow. So we'll do the same thing, make this a little bit larger so we can get the proper color here. Go to the object color this time, go to the pick tool, head over our color that we want to change. And from here, we're adding these stars around our design. And again, once I have this paired together, I can group this. Now I can have this as one single image. I just copy and paste all around my design to make my product stand out. And again, this is just as example for today's video, just share with you how easy it is for you to add in these things to your design to make your product stand out even more. So I think everything is done well here. And with that being said, I can go into my design here. And once everything is done, I like to group everything together. Go ahead into group so that I have one solid design. And if I want to make things larger, I can do that all on a proper scale, and I have my design here. Now I can go in a step further and add in some texture to our design here. To do this is to head over to textures, and I have some textures I can add in here. I can add in this to our design. And again, notice how it's over our entire design here, but it's also over to our background. All I have to do here is to fix that, is to head over to clip content, and it'll just be over our design here. I can change the opacity to make it strong or take some off, and I have that done here as well. Now, with that being said, I think our entire design is done here for us to utilize on our print-on-demand product. If I want to see how this look, I can go over to mockups, and I can see how this will look on a t-shirt or a sweatshirt or whatever the design we are creating. In our case today, I am creating a t-shirt design here. So I can have this design on my mockup just to see and make sure everything is dialed in the right way. And I have our t-shirt design here. Now, if I want to change the color of my t-shirt to see how this will look, I can head over to mockup color and again, change the t-shirt color. If I want to do it on black, have it on black, or a different color, dark heather gray, or just have it on white itself. I have everything dialed into place. And I think our overall design looks extremely well for what we are actually trying to create as an example. Now, once everything is done here, I can head over to the download section here. I can hit remove background just to make sure everything is clear and good to use. And from here, I can hit PNG, and now I have a file I can utilize for my print-on-demand product. I can start selling on Etsy. But as you can see, we took just some basic text designs that we know to do well, added in some unique elements here with Kittl AI. Again, we can expand this a little bit further with better prompts and focusing on different design styles. But as of today, I think this design can do well with selling these type of products on Etsy. And as you can see here, there's multiple things we can focus on and redesign in our unique way to start selling these type of products on Etsy. So as you can see, creating amazing designs with Kittl AI is a great way for you to just not speed up the process, but actually allow your products to stand out above the rest of the competition. If you want to check out Kittl on your own, they were so kind of give my audience that discount code for you to try this out on your own. I'll make sure to leave all the details down in my description box below. Now, if you are new to selling print-on-demand products and you're not sure how to get your shop up and running, I have created my free Etsy Starter Print-on-Demand course where I share with you from start to finish everything you need to do to just not start an Etsy shop, but list your first product online. If you want to check out my free course down below, then check out my link to get straight access to my course so you can go ahead and get started today. And if you want to learn more about how to make income online, then consider subscribing to my channel here. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.